Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So US dollar CAD has been very strong so far this month, but to me, I mean, it still seems very clear that it could be an A, a B, and then down for a C like I've been forecasting. So I still think this is a very likely outcome, what I'm showing here. But luckily, we're just going with the flow, so we should be looking for logs on sort of time frames anyways. Going down to the weekly time frame, because of the pattern that I see back here, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, the 1, 2, 3 up, and then impulsive down, I'm still sticking to the idea that this is likely a wave 2, because this seems way too clear to not be a wave A. 3 waves up for B, and now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down for what I still think is likely a C of wave B. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement right here. I still suspect that this could be a wave C. And looking at this move up right here, it looks way too strong to be a crescent, but if you actually zoom out and you look at the wave 2 from the previous downtrend, it's actually almost the same type of price action. Very strong move to the downside, and then bam, beginning of a big old push down for the wave 3. So like I said, I'm still looking at this move up as possibly being a wave 2. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it actually seems pretty clear this is likely a 1, 2, 3 right here. This is probably a wave 4. This is probably a wave 5. At this point, I do think it is going to go up and probably retest the 78% Fibonacci. Then if it breaks down in a big way, especially if you get the wave 4 break of structure, that's what's going to prove to me that the wave C is really over and that we really are continuing back down for a big wave 3. Until you actually get this big break of structure, technically you should probably be looking for longs on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I have my Fibonacci retracement here just to look for areas of resistance, but really it just looks like an ABC correction. It's probably just another ABC, which means it probably will take out the previous highs because this is likely a wave 3. This is probably an ABC of 4, and we're probably in like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 5. So if it goes up, takes out the previous highs, and then turns down in a big way, especially if it goes down and breaks the low of wave 4, that's what's going to help prove to me that the wave 2 of wave C really is complete. Otherwise, if you do not see this picture right here, you should probably still continue to look for longs on these sort of time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked out here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.